3, 2, 1.
What prehistoric creatures threaten the only woman taking part in the expedition in the movie Journey to the Center of the Earth? The answer is A. Prehistoric reptiles. Which ocean is the warmest? The answer is D. Pacific. Which one of the following medications treats Alzheimer's disease dementia? The answer is B. Ariceps donepezil. How many strands are in a DNA molecule? The answer is A. Single. Difference in electric potential energy are measured in what basic unit? The answer is A. Volts. What shape rash is formed from a skin infection caused by trichophyton? The answer is A. Ring-shaped. What would you call a female guinea pig? The answer is C. A sow. Which star is known as the heart of the Milky Way? The answer is A. Betelgeuse. What is the term for a sustained increase in prices and fall in the value of money? The answer is A. Inflation. The siblings were complete opposites. Tom was pedantic and read all the time, and Lucy was ludic. She was always getting mud on her clothes. What is the meaning of ludic? The answer is C. Playful. Which game features the character Link with a bow and arrow? The answer is C. The Legend of Zelda. Which school supply helps with keeping things organized? The answer is A. Folder. Which substance does not conduct electricity when solid, but does in liquid form? The answer is C. Silver. What river runs through Istanbul? The answer is A. Thames. Which clothing item is associated with Japan's traditional attire for women? The answer is A. Kimono. What is the term for daily cycles of behavior, like the sleep-wake cycle? The answer is D. Circadian rhythms. What is the piece of furniture with a long flat surface used for, often in a kitchen or office? The answer is B. Table. Ayers Rock is another name for what Australian mountain? The answer is A. Uluru. Who played the villain Norman Bates in Psycho? The answer is B. Anthony Perkins. Which game popularized the first-person shooter genre? The answer is A. Doom. A goiter is a visible indication of deficiency of what? The answer is A. Iodine. What 1991 movie was the winner of the Academy Award for Best Picture at the 64th Academy Awards in 1992? The answer is D. The Silence of the Lambs. Changes from a less ordered state to a more ordered state, such as a liquid to a solid, are always what? The answer is B. Exothermic. Which event marked the end of World War II in Europe? The answer is C. Berlin Airlift. What resident are Derek and Addison talking to in Grey's Anatomy? The answer is B. Chief Weber. The Boeing 747 is a popular model of what type of vehicle? The answer is A. Aircraft. What did Time magazine claim that Jean-Claude Van Damme deserved for his performance in the 2008 movie JVCD? The answer is A. An Oscar. Joanne wants to investigate factors that affect different patterns of the flight of bees. Which step in the scientific method must she follow before forming a hypothesis? The answer is D. Gather information about flight patterns. The daughter of which prominent TV actor breaks Larry's teeth instead of breaking a piñata at her Wizard of Oz-themed birthday party? The answer is A. Ted Danson. Arteries and veins are two important parts of the circulatory system. What is the relationship between arteries and veins? The answer is B. They work together to transport nutrients. What is the hottest place on Earth as of 2021? The answer is A. Greenland. Which game features a world where gravity doesn't exist? The answer is B. Super Mario Galaxy. In what country was action star Bruce Lee born? The answer is C. United States. Which gas do people exhale during each breath? The answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Which state of matter has the lowest density? The answer is D. Gases. Which piece of written work starts with the line stately, plump Buck Mulligan came from the stairhead, bearing a bowl of lather on which a mirror and a razor lay crossed? The answer is A. Ulysses. What was the last name of the featured family on Home Improvement? The answer is B. Taylor. What is green, leafy, and used as a garnish? The answer is A. Parsley. What is the study of plant and animal life called? The answer is C. Biology. What term is used to describe the distance traveled divided by the time it took to travel that distance? The answer is C. Speed. Which high-protein grain, related to spinach, was known as the gold of the Incas? The answer is B. Quinoa. What is the name of the sea god in Greek mythology who was fathered by Poseidon? The answer is B. Nereus. What are the most energetic of all electromagnetic waves, which can be used to treat cancer? The answer is A. Gamma rays. What is a kitchen gadget used to peel fruits and vegetables? The answer is A. Potato peeler. What is the primary ingredient in marshmallows? The answer is A. Gelatin. Who is the first woman to serve as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The answer is A. Margaret Thatcher. What is the fundamental particle of an atom that orbits the nucleus? The answer is C. Electron. Where is Euston Station? The answer is A. London. Which tree can grow the fastest in height? The answer is B. Redwood tree. Who is the main character in The Legend of Zelda?